Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you just a little bit of my unboxing of the brand new 11-inch iPad Pro. I got it in the mail a couple of days ago. I know it's not new to like the world, but super new to me. So I wanted to share with you guys my first impressions, kind of what I thought about it, and definitely the unboxing process and everything I'm gonna be doing with that. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. I'll unbox it for you guys, give you my first impressions, and then we're gonna see what it looks like with my iPad in it. All right guys, so here I have my iPad Pro case. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. You're gonna see my reflection because I'm actually filming this on my iPad Pro. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's pretty filmy because of the plastic, so we'll see. And I'll go ahead and take that off for you guys. Oh my God, so pretty. Of course, it's the typical iPad box. Gonna look like here, and I'll go ahead and unbox. Okay, so I took the plastic off and here we are with the box. It's pretty straightforward, typical Apple design box, and I'm having my phone in my hand, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to at least open it with one hand. There we go, it's open now. All right, here we go, straight up opened, unopened. Has this little plastic tab as well. Open it up. Okay guys, so I opened it up. Has this plastic around the actual case. Again, it has that Apple logo right here, but I can go ahead and open this up. It's pretty smooth, feels really nice. It's very velvety, so it also opens here. And then that plastic's taken off. Let me put that to the side with the other plastic in the box. But yes, here we go. This is what it looks like, the case, I suppose, or the keyboard. Oh geez, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this. I went ahead and opened it up off camera because it was kind of a struggle. But yes, it comes with, oh, I didn't know it had a whole bunch of stuff with it too. Let's open that in a bit. But here it is when you open it up. Looks like this is what it looks like. The side here. Okay. Again, it has that power area, so you can do power. Pretty decent, clicky keyboard. Let's see what it looks like from the back. Not too much, nothing crazy. And then the front here does have the Magic Keyboard. The front here does have the emblem, the Apple logo there. So again, front and back, there we go. It also came with this white little envelope type deal in the inside. So it looks like all you do is push this out. So I'm gonna open that up. Looks like this slides right out. And it looks like maybe just like a care guide or something. Let me see. Okay, so it's just like a little pamphlet, I suppose, on what it does, how to utilize it and whatnot. So that's there as well, and how to charge it. So yeah, that's about it on that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the iPad right inside the Magic Keyboard. It snapped right on to the front right here. So it was pretty easy just to snap it in. Previous to that, I did have my pink iPad Pro case. It's pretty easy, like flip over case if you want to stand it up, and it was just like a book cover. It also matches my Apple Pencil case, which is super cute. And I'm annoyed now because this only comes in gray for right now. So yeah, there's that. And it looks like this is pretty much auto set, ready to go. If you needed to, you could adjust it here. Let me see, you could just adjust it pretty much to what you need. It sits pretty decently in my lap, although the weight tends to be towards the front of the keyboard area, like the whole keyboard as a whole. So it's kind of going forward towards like my knees instead of back towards my thigh area. But I think as you press down, it'll be pretty much good to go there. But yeah, my Apple Pencil sits right on top. If you click the little trackpad, basically opens it up for you. I guess if you click the trackpad, your face is there. It's pretty much straightforward. You just go from there. And as I move around to the different apps, it's like a little black circle that goes to everything. So I can go to Wall Street Journal, for example, open that up. So if you go to Wall Street Journal, it'll look like this. Has a little black keyboard, or not keyboard, tracking like where the mouse arrow would be. So that's pretty cool. You can pretty much click on anything. It's pretty much the same thing with your finger or your Apple Pencil. So it's pretty much good to go there. Very, you know, responsive, pretty much the same thing. Click Politico or something just to show you guys. The keyboard is backlit, by the way, so you can see here that if I was like on a plane or something or in a darker room, be able to look at that. Pretty much same thing here. If I wanted to flick my finger just to go to the home page, I could do the same thing. Let's go into notes. All right, guys, so this is it closed. It's a little heavy, but I know that's probably because of this area right here, just because there's so much tech going on. Oh my God, flipped it over. It's pretty much shaped like a notebook. It's pretty good to me, just with like the way this looks. It's a little heavier. It feels like a laptop, but I understand this because the tech right now, like it's all like heavy in here, and it also charges the iPad. So after looking at other people's videos and doing some research, I could see why it's a little bit more heavy. I do have an issue with keeping my Apple Pencil right here on the little dock for it. For some reason, it tends to fall off or get hit off of it easier than when it was on my little Amazon portfolio folder thing. So I'm trying to figure out if I'm doing something wrong or whatever, but overall it's a pretty good look. I'm really happy with it, and I'm excited to use it at work. Hey guys, so I'm super excited to have this magic keyboard. I'm excited to bring it to work and start utilizing it so I can do a full review. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and let me know if you want to see anything else next. I'm gonna be definitely doing about a review on this keyboard in a couple of weeks, just to give you what my thoughts and feelings are after actually using it, going to work, working on it with projects, typing on it as well. So I'll be definitely showing that a little bit later. Thank you guys so much for watching, hanging out with me and looking at my videos. So thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.